Where the Durban and coastal mental health is implicated yet again in another scandal. This time an alleged negligence by staff which led to the death of a 24-year-old man. The family claims that he died after suffocating whilst he was having an epileptic seizure.
We are in Mkomazi, the south of Durban, visiting a family who lost their loved one at the Durban and coastal mental health institution. The family claims that Ntando Dlamini, a 24-year-old, died in the institution after having an epileptic fit one night. The family then made various inquiries to the institution. The institution said the last time they had seen 24-year-old Ntando was at around 8 o'clock at night. He had gone to the toilet that night when they had seen him. But the family also alleges that when he had his epileptic fit, there was nobody there to give him his medication. Now, over the week, we have done various shocking stories about the institution. But in order to understand all this, we have to scratch right down to the surfaces in order to unveil the veil that has been there for quite some time. You'll also recall that the SABC not so long ago visited the institutions, and when we got there, we found some very shocking stories. One of which is that the institution uses the patients as security guards to guard the premises. And the other, we've had shocking stories of abuse, torture and rape as well. Now, getting back to the story of Ntando Dlamini, we spoke to the family members earlier on, and this is what they had to say about him. They said that they have lost a loving family member, somebody who was very jovial, cheerful and a very giving soul.
Yeah, njalo nje, like into ayitshela uma esitshela nje njalo bengabe sisifika lapha ukuthi abamnaki yabo njalo befitha ebusuku akekho umuntu omchekayo uze evukele yena engachekanga umuntu. So kwaba into nje nathi sesihleli noma sakhuluma wathi uma no uzohamba eyokhuluma nabo agcina futhi ehambile wafika wakhuluma nabo abatshela kodwa nakho eshuthi akwenzekanga lutho cause egcineni futhi wahamba ngayo lendlela ayibika kuthini ukuthi abamnaki.
That was Nkululeko Dlamini, the brother of the 24-year-old Ntando Dlamini. You'll recall that in his interviews, he says many times that he does not know why the institution was negligent when it came to Ntando Dlamini's epileptic condition. He says that the staff members took no regard of his sickness. He also says that during the time when they visit their relative, he would often complain and tell them that he was not being well looked after. Now, getting back to his gravesite, we see there the engravings with the words that read, "Missing you always. You never said I'm leaving. You never said goodbye. You were gone before we knew it. And only God knows why." Seemingly, this is not the only question that the family have. They also want to know why did the institution inform them that their loved one had died the night before. They want to know why his corpse was only found the following morning. We as the SABC are also waiting to talk to the institution and find out what will they say about the allegations that are placed before them.